Are you ready to transform your startup idea into a successful business? Welcome to the world of entrepreneurship, where dreams meet reality and innovation drives success. But let's be honest, starting a business isn't easy. From refining your big idea to navigating the complex journey of business development, the path can be daunting. That's where the Startup Blueprint Pro comes in. Designed specifically for entrepreneurs and startup enthusiasts, this Notion template is your ultimate guide through the startup maze. Imagine having a step-by-step blueprint at your fingertips, guiding you from ideation to execution. With the Startup Blueprint Pro, you're equipped with detailed strategies, organized workflows, and insightful tools that simplify every aspect of building your startup. This isn't just a template, it's a powerhouse of entrepreneurial wisdom, tailored to help you overcome obstacles and stay on track. From brainstorming sessions to investor pitches, every stage of your startup journey becomes clearer and more manageable. But don't just take our word for it. Countless entrepreneurs have already transformed their visions into thriving businesses using the Startup Blueprint Pro. Now, it's your turn. Unlock the potential of your startup with the Startup Blueprint Pro. Inspire innovation, streamline your processes, and elevate your business to new heights. The Startup Blueprint Pro, your essential tool for building the business of your dreams.